As we have generated the hex file and we have done all the hardware connection, so now we are ready to dump the hex file into the microcontroller. So for that we need Prog ISP software. Let's open Prog ISP software. This is the interface of Prog ISP software. Just observe here, this Prog ISP is disabled. Now I am connecting the USB port of USB ASP programmer to the USB port of my laptop. You see, now this Prog ISP is enabled, indicating that we have connected the programmer. Okay, now we have to select which microcontroller we are using. So as we are using 8089S52 only, so here I am selecting 8089S52 only. Now you see there is one button called RD, read button. This read button is used to check whether we have done the connections properly or not. Just click on this read button. You see this message, read ID successfully. It means that we have done the connections properly. Okay, now the next step is go to file, click on load flash and select the hex file. So my hex file is present in C drive, then key version 5, then C51, then examples, then hello, then inside objects folder, yeah, blink.hex is my hex file. So click blink.hex, open this file and just click on auto. Just click on auto. It will take a while and it will dump the hex file into the microcontroller. I'm clicking on auto. Yeah, you see what is written? Erase write flash, verify flash, successfully done. Means we have successfully dumped the hex file into the microcontroller. You can see LED is blinking now. Now just observe one thing, we have not used any external power supply. So how this LED, this microcontroller board and this programmer is getting power supply? All these three entities are getting the power from my laptop. So this USB ASP programmer is connected to the USB port of my laptop. So from this USB port, this programmer is getting power supply. From this programmer, this microcontroller board is getting power supply, and from this microcontroller board, this LED is getting power supply. One more thing we can observe here, the program which we have dumped onto the microcontroller is installed in the ROM which is there inside the microcontroller, and ROM is a non-volatile memory. So even if I remove the power supply, it will retain the information. Let me do this thing. Here I am removing the power supply. So as I have removed the power supply, it should retain the information. It should hold the program. Let me again give the power. You see, still it is running the same program. It means it retains the information. Nowadays all the smartphones works in 5 volts DC supply only. So what we can do for giving power supply to our project, we can use our smartphone. So we can connect this USB ASP programmer with our smartphone by using OTG cable. So let me show this. So this is my smartphone. Here I am connecting the USB ASP programmer to my smartphone by using OTG cable. You see. So here all the entities are getting the power supply from my smartphone, that is the battery of my smartphone. Okay. So this is the end of the session.